bones of vertebral column. There are 26 serially arranged vertebrae are present in the human vertebral column. In that, the first vertebra is called atlas. Atlas is the first vertebra. In the human vertebral column, neck region contains 7 vertebrae that are called as cervical vertebra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These first 7 vertebrae present in the neck region are called as cervical vertebra. The remaining 12 vertebrae continuously serially arranged, that 12 vertebrae are called as thoracic vertebra. 5 vertebrae are lumbar vertebrae which do not attach to ribs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And sacrum 1, coccyx 1. So like 26 serially arranged vertebrae are present in the human vertebral column. See here, the first vertebra is called atlas. This atlas attached to the skull to the 2 occipital condyles. Here we will see 2 occipital condyles. Yes, here 2 occipital condyles are observing. These 2 are occipital condyles or to the occipital bone, and this opening is foramen magnum. This opening is foramen magnum, and this is one occipital condyle, and this is one occipital condyle. To these 2 occipital condyles, the first vertebra, atlas, articulates to the skull. So due to presence of 2 occipital condyles, human skull is called as dicondylic skull. So first cervical vertebra is atlas. Atlas articulated to this occipital condyles. So there it forms condyloid joint. So first vertebra, we will see now how it is articulating. Right. So now you will see first vertebra articulates to skull. Here you can observe this is skull occipital bone and this is atlas. Atlas articulated to skull. The foramen magnum right. See here, foramen magnum is passing right. The brainstem medulla passes downwards through this opening into spinal cord. So through that opening, foramen magnum, and through the openings of the spinal cord also. So through this spinal cord is passing. And second vertebra is axis. Now we are observing atlas, second vertebra axis. Between atlas and axis there is a joint. Joint present between atlas and axis is called as pivot joint. See here, this is joint odontoid process. Odontoid process of the axis. It articulates here one, and here also. So we will see this type of special articulation between the atlas and axis, only between atlas and axis. See here, special arrangement. This is atlas and this is axis. Here there are some ligaments connection. We will see this joint between atlas and axis is called as pivot joint. Okay. And remaining 7 vertebra in the neck region. There are 12 thoracic vertebra serially arranged. Between the vertebra there is an cartilage intervertebral disc. An intervertebral disc is present between vertebra. From this point, this is first thoracic vertebra, T1. Thoracic vertebra. Ribs are articulated to this one. Ribs, here first pair of ribs, second pair of ribs, like ribs articulated. Ribs articulated to the thoracic vertebra. Like continuously all 12 pairs of thoracic vertebra, 12 pairs of ribs articulated to 12 thoracic vertebra, T11, T12. So up to here, up to this one, 12 thoracic vertebra. So between the vertebra, intervertebral disc. This one is intervertebral disc. Between vertebra, there is an intervertebral disc, cartilage. Cartilage present between vertebra. Due to presence of this cartilage, vertebra, between adjacent vertebra, there is a joint called cartilaginous joints. Slightly movable joints are present between the vertebra. So after that, lumbar vertebra 1, lumbar vertebra 2, lumbar vertebra 3, lumbar vertebra 4, 5. This 5 lumbar vertebra gives a space for the attachment of back muscles. 5 lumbar vertebra freely present give space for the attachment of back muscles. And sacrum coccyx, we will see. Sacrum. See this one, sacrum. Sacrum. So this 25th vertebra fused by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fused by 5 bones forms sacrum. And coccyx, there is last tailbone. This tailbone is coccyx. It is also fusion of 4 bones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bones fused to form coccyx. So right, these 26 vertebrae are serially arranged, forms vertebral column.